What's up guys, and welcome to the 42nd tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about const pointer arguments. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is put in include. So include, and the header will be cc type change this to that and change this to that. Now go to the next line and type in void copy upper char star s1 const char star s2. That should be closed off, and now go to the next one and type in curly braces and then say while s1, so star s1 plus plus equals 2 upper star s2 plus plus yes and then not equal /0. That should be closed off, and now go to the next line. Before we do that, put a semicolon there. Go to the main function and say int main curly braces char rcv 25, close that off, say const char snd put in a name or whatever, all in lowercase. I'll just put in my name for the time being. You can use your name if you want to. Close that off and say copy upper, so we just copy this, paste that there, and say rcv, what we declared on top, rcv snd, that was also declared. Now print rcv out, so std cout rcv, and now the program is complete. So when we run this, we should get my name all in capital letters. But before we run the program, let's just explain what's happening. So we have a program that demonstrates const pointer arguments, and where it says right at the top void copy upper char star s1 const char star s2, a pointer to a const char. That's all this program is telling you. And then you have the while loop, and you have the main function declaration and the printout. So let's run this and see what we get. Build succeeded, and there you see my name has been printed all in capital letters. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.